Are you looking for a quick, proven way to start making money in your home business? Well, I might have the exact solution you've been looking for: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you might say, what is that? Well, in this video, I'll explain what affiliate marketing is, and I will share with you benefits of being an affiliate marketer. And in case this is the first time we've met, my name's Dana Hagstrom. My husband David and I started DavidnDana.com to empower the home business owner with effective breakthrough strategies to boost your home business success. So, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's selling other people's stuff and getting a commission for it. That sounds pretty simple. It really is. Somebody else has already gone to all the work of making a product or a service available for the marketplace. They are now looking to serve that marketplace. And you, as an affiliate marketer, are going to be the one that is going to help attract more customers to that product or service. And in return, you get a commission. So you don't have to put a lot of time and effort into making the product or designing the service. You are simply driving traffic and interested people to something they're already looking for. Now, that may sound really simple, and there are some great strategies that you need to employ and great marketing strategies as well. In fact, it's a business, so you want to be a good marketer. That's why they call it affiliate marketing. And David and I, being the strategy coaches, marketing coaches, we can walk with you every step of the way to show you exactly what you need to do to be a successful affiliate marketer. But it breaks down pretty simply, where you know your market, you know who you want to serve. That's really the first step when you open the doors to your business. You want to know who you serve. And once you know who you're serving, you start to understand what they want. What are they looking for? And so then, as an affiliate marketer, you start going to look at the different affiliate opportunities that are available in the marketplace. And there are a ton of them. And we have videos and articles on our blog that will give you some great ideas on where to look for those affiliate opportunities. But then you present those opportunities to the people that are looking for those solutions. They're already done for you. All you have to do is be like the tour guide and take your people to the right opportunity. So that's what you do as an affiliate marketer. You find an opportunity or a product that is going to serve your market and promote it. Now, if you don't know how to promote something, that's another lesson, that's another video, that's another day, and we can help you with all of that. But affiliate marketing has its benefits. I said I would talk to you a little bit about the benefits of affiliate marketing. Well, first of all, you can start today and with a zero investment. That sounds good to a lot of people. They've been trying a lot of things aren't working. But affiliate marketing, you can start with zero. Because to get an affiliate link for an opportunity, let's even take Amazon for example. They have an affiliate program. So if there's something on Amazon that you know that your audience is going to love, that should be your first affiliate, is Amazon. And then start offering that product to your audience using your affiliate link, and then you're going to get paid by Amazon to do that. So that's just a very simple example. So simple to get started, zero investment because your affiliate links are free. Now, if you ever encounter an affiliate program where they're wanting you to pay, there's something going on there. And you know, your little radar should go on, because your affiliate link itself should be free. Now, you may need to purchase something first before you can sell it. And those are things that you start to look for when you're finding the right products and the right services that you want to promote. Okay, so benefit we started with, it's simple to start, zero costs, and the other benefit is that it can grow pretty quickly. So the example I gave, if you start with Amazon, something simple, something that you're familiar with. Everybody's familiar with Amazon, but if you find a few products out there that you want to sell as an affiliate and you get people to start buying them from you, you are starting to earn money right away. And then you can build on that success. So it grows quickly. You start with one affiliate, understand the process, understand how it works, learn a little bit about promoting, and then add products, add affiliate opportunities until you feel confident that you are serving your audience. Now, another cool benefit is that you can be learning while you're earning. There are a lot of affiliate opportunities out there. In fact, David and I can show you one of our favorites, actually two of our favorites, that include training. That include training so that you are learning how to be the perfect marketer and use the skills that maybe you've not done before while you're earning. And those are also affiliate opportunities that you can share with people just like you that are getting started, that want to learn how this all works. So when you can find an affiliate opportunity that helps you learn at the same time, that is a great benefit. And like I said, David and I have two that we use that we would love to share with you as well. Okay, and I've talked to the other benefit, of course, are the low startup costs. Zero for the affiliate, but you may need a way to promote. You may need to start a website. There might be a web host fee. You may need to pay for some tools to make your marketing work properly. And those are generally, you can find a lot of free options, and there's a lot of ones that have the low cost. Setting up an affiliate marketing business is simple, but it also helps if you have someone that can kind of show you the ropes, kind of the done for you opportunity. And that's where David and I can step in. We have a lot of experience with our own affiliate marketing business, and we can share what we have learned with you. And one last thing, I have an opportunity for you to download a 90-page guide that was put together with some really amazing tips by one of our mentors, by David Sharp. And it's called, I wrote this down so I wouldn't forget, The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. If you want to get your hands on that, dive a little bit deeper. I've given you a little bit of information here, but that would be a great resource for you to take a look at, so that maybe some of the questions I haven't answered are in there. Questions that you encounter as you go. You'll have a do-it-for-you guide to help you as you go. And I will put a link down in the comments of this video for that Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. And until next time, this is Dana Hagstrom. Take care.